निकालेंगे, बाद में बैठ भी दे सकते हैं।
तीन लोग जैसे रहते हैं वैसे डिवाइड।
ओके।
तो फिर ये हम लोग कैसे काम के लिए आए हैं?
ओके, थोड़ा मुझे ना दो बुधाण उल्ले हंगा दूर हाँ लघु ले इल्ले थोड़ा ये दे दो थोड़ा हाँ।
This is Dr. Mihir Chaudhary speaking. I am the medical director of this place, and we have set up a COVID step-up center with all the HFNO, NIV, oxygen concentrator, as well as cylinder at every bed. And we have round-the-clock the doctors over here, as well as the consultant. So we are giving the 24-hour coverage, and to the public we are charging zero money. So this is under CSR activity of Majestic Pride Group, and we are trying to help the people in the way what we can do. Thank you.
कितके बेड बी ते सांग
हे कोविड सेंटर आसा हें मॅजेस्टीक प्रायडाच्या स्पॉन्सरशिपेन जाला, CSR एक्टिविटीसान जाला, आनी हातूंत भितर एट प्रेझेंट 60 बेड्स घाल्ले आसा, आनी वन ऑफ द बेस्ट कोवीड सेंटर हे आमच्या गोंयांत जाल्लें आसा. हातूंत भितर फॅसिलिटीज भरपूर आसा, जस्ट लायक हॉस्पिटल फॅसिलिटी आसा, ऑक्सिजन आसा, जायते इंस्ट्रुमेंट आसा, RT-PCR टेस्ट करपाच्यो ज्यो फॅसिलिटी हांगा आसा. एंड आय थिंक the eco machine, everything is there. And I would like to thank Mr. Srinivas Rao, Dr. Mihir Chaudhary for taking the initiative. This is one of the best initiatives they have taken it, and I appreciate them, and hats off to both of them. It's one of the best, and people should take the benefit of this. And what I feel that they will not charge anything for giving one of the best facility in Goa, perhaps in India. What I feel is perhaps in one of the best facilities. They have the doctors, they have nurses, even they have got a pharmacy, ambulance. They even got an ambulance over here, and all sort of facilities will be given by this COVID care center. And in fact, it is a proud moment for Tiswadi to have this type of COVID center. In Tiswadi at present, this is the third one. In fact, I had activated at Sama Prasad. Then at Kollim we have activated, and this is the third facility COVID care center. In fact, it is a step up COVID care center. It is one step ahead and as good as a hospital.
जेवण भी
Everything,
Everything.
food, everything for the
Everything will be
patients,
provided by
for the staff, for support staff, for management people, everything will be served over here. There won't be any issues with regard to food, services, stay. The in-house housekeeping will be there. I mean, laundry they have tied up with the biomedical waste. They have tied up with the agency. Then they have tied up with the CCP for taking dry and wet waste. Then as far as medical facilities are concerned, they have set up their own pharmacy and all.